Got this log splitter with these cheap little holding racks, and I'm gonna see if I can't make something better out of it. Before I lay the heat to it, I want to make sure that all these bolts line up and go in. Make sure the placement, it doesn't go outside the wheel there. I put a small taper on it so it'll actually angle the split wood. But that's quite an improvement compared to what the stock was. There she is. So got a little bit of a rake on each side, so the logs will actually fall into it, so it won't be too much of a problem. I was just standing on this thing, so it ain't going anywhere. Something else will break, but this won't.